The product I'm super excited to tell you about today is Tulip 2, Whisper Quiet Air Purifier with H13 HEPA filter and activated carbon filter. Purifies air in every direction, disinfecting it at a rate of 130 cubic meters per hour. Perfect for spaces up to 40 square meters. Now, let's see what's on the box. Here, you will see a picture of the product, and here, you'll find some information about the air purifier itself. Now, let's see what's inside the package. Okay, let me take it out of its plastic bag. So, what we do now is to gently turn this upside down, take the lid, and twist counterclockwise. And lift. This is where you'll find the adapter and the remote control. And this is the filter I told you about. What's that? You're asking me what the options on the device are? I'll tell you what. Here, we have 3 speed settings: sleep, medium, and high, plus a UVC light mode. And there's a red light indicator that will remind you to change the filter after 2200 hours, which should be good enough for 6 to 12 months. Tulip 2 comes in 2 colors, white and black, your choice. Thank you, and stay safe.